everybody, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be installing, hopefully, and today in general, but in this video, we should be installing our compliance bushings that we picked up from Velocity Shop. We got some Hardrace compliance bushings that go on the front lower control arm. I'll show you guys exactly where it goes when I get to the process of removing the wheels and, well, I've never done this, so I don't know exactly how much I gotta remove, but Fred did have a video of him doing all his suspension, so I'll probably watch that. I'll leave a link down below. Check out the homie Fred's channel, subscribe if you haven't already. Whole gang going up 2021, and yeah, that's what we got cooking up for today's video. Y'all know about that, but let's get right into the business. So I went along and removed the wheels, got the car on, lifted on the jack supports, and now we're gonna be replacing this bushing right here. Now this bushing is their compliance bushing. This is one of the most, I feel like, underrated bushings when it comes to cars. People always talk about, oh, replace your lower control arm bushings, blah blah blah. But this bushing is very important, bro. This is a very important bushing. Since I've never done this, I thought I was gonna have to remove like the spindle and stuff, but nah. You got one 17mm bolt there, maybe it's a 14, not 17. So two 17mm bolts that disconnect the this arm from the lower control arm, and then you have bolts right here. You got these are I wouldn't say subframe bolts, but these bolts bolt the compliance bushing to the chassis. And this is your sway bar, of course, and then you have this thing right here you can remove, but I think I can remove this all one piece, all one design, so yeah. So this is really a fairly simple install, nothing too crazy to do, but yeah, man. TBT, bro, TBT. Another year, another thing of garbage lighting. So I have yeah, there's a lot going on, but it's not a lot, you feel me? Hold on, let me remove this now. Okay, all right, so this bushing right, hold on, oh, come on baby, oh yeah. So this right here is what we're going to be replacing. So this right here is our compliance bushing. Mine doesn't look in rough shape actually, but we got Hardrace to slap on this bad girl. You feel me? 19mm nut. Loosen that John out like that. Put the new one in, which is in this box right here. Oh, the best red and black box to get for your car. Hardrace. Hardrace. Look at that. 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 Ice, ice, ice. Yeah. I'm not running any spherical stuff on the car because, well, this was on a deal. Pretty much why. It'd be nice to know the difference between like the two. But your boy got the hardened rubber. I also have Hardrace hardened rubber bushings into my lower control arms as well. So, yep, pretty much hard racing out the car, dog. Hardrace make great products. Super great products. So, you guys can see the size comparison too. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. These aren't bad at all. Aren't even that bad. Pretty solid. And I never replaced these. And I've had this car for 6 years. And I'm pretty sure the guy before me never replaced them. But hey, look, replaced to me. Cool. I did it again, boys. I did it again. After that last clip you just seen, every clip after that is in slow motion. I had the camera settings on the wrong thing, and this entire thing is in slow motion. But you didn't miss much. I was just finishing up the car, talking about the importance of compliance bushings and what they do. Then from here, I was leaving the house to go on the road trip to Sean's house. Sean is the homie that do my valve adjustments. He's like, that's the bro. He lent me his ECU.
Huge shout out to the boy Sean here, boy. My boy Sean. I have an ECU until my ECU gets in. What? That's my guy, bro. Shout out to the homie Sean, bro. That's my fucking guy.
So I can drive my car to the car event tomorrow, Clean Culture. So if you're watching this video on the intended Friday that it's being posted, then I hope I see you guys at the event tomorrow. And then I was like, oh, I gotta wash the car. I got the car on all fours. So like, shout out to my sister for giving me this thing for Christmas so I can clean up Christina and my outro. Yep. That's literally it. Now I gotta refilm the outro. Yeah, bro. Yep, that's... Yep. So yeah, your boy's an idiot. But y'all already knew that. But y'all love me anyway. And if you don't love me, I love you. So yes, that is this video. I know it's disappointing. I'm already disappointing you guys and it's January, but hey, I'm living up to the expectations of a black man. Sad world, bro. Sad world. If you enjoyed 5 minutes of this video, please leave a like on the video. But if you did not enjoy the 5 minutes of this video, I actually understand this time. Like, I truly do understand. Cause like this is not exceptional. But people would like to watch my videos just to see how your boy, just to see me alive. You feel me? So I'm gonna upload this for y'all. I love y'all. But you can go ahead and leave a dislike on the video if you did not enjoy the 5 minutes of this video. Yeah, I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. I hope to see you guys tomorrow at the Clean Culture event down at Palm Beach International Raceway. And female lotion slaps. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh, do you guys want some POV? All right.